Auction Flipping Success Review. Hello friends, I am Sid and today I am here to review Auction Flipping Success by Randy Smith, launching on 5th October 2020 at 9 a.m. EST. Auction flipping success is a way to make good income by flipping starter websites on Flippa. Now, Anton Lomax, who is also a co-creator of this product, has been around the internet marketing scene for a number of years now, and he has a unique approach of making cash as and when he needs it. He creates these simple sites and has them created for him as well and lists them for sale on sites like Flippa and makes a profit within a matter of few days. Now he has decided to show everyone how he does this with auction flipping success. Not only will you be able to learn multiple types of sites that sell quickly and easily, you will also know step by step the process that he uses from start to finish to profit from this system. So basically, Anton himself admits that he is a bit lazy. So, well, it seems life has changed for him, and sometimes he would just fire up his computer and implement one of his tried and tested side hustle to get whatever cash he needed. Now he thinks about his family and securing his future. So he contacted one of his friends, and just like he did it back in 2008 when he did his last major launch, he wanted to share what he is currently doing and how simple and easy it is so that everyone can take advantage of this simple process and make money from it. So I'll now take you inside the members area of Auction Flipping Success so that you have an idea what you get with your purchase of this product. So this is the members area of Auction Flipping Success. Once you make your purchase, this is how the members area will look, and here you can click for the gold membership upgrade and the platinum membership upgrade, and you can download the websites that come with this purchase. Here you'll also be able to reserve your seat for this webinar, which is exclusive part of your purchase, and there are a few bonuses as well which you'll get with your purchase, like social messaging apps for marketers, Facebook Messenger marketing, traffic handbook, TikTok marketing, traffic system. These are some of the great bonuses that are being offered with your purchase, and you can click on the training here to access the training that is part of your membership once you make your purchase. Here you can download sample listing and can edit them to make your own listings, and you can download the PDF guides here, like step-by-step guide how to install your sites, a guide to editing your site, and a guide for the after the sale activities. And here we have the video instructions, which are also step by step and will make things simpler to understand. There are a few videos, like the first video is installing your site, then we have editing your site, the next video is creating a listing on Flippa, then the next video teaches you how to add email swipes in Aweber. The next video is about finding a good domain name. The next video is adding email swipes to GetResponse. The next video is listing on eBay, and the last video is eBay listing templates and sales video. So, and as I already told you, there's a exclusive webinar where you will discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes. So this is what you will get in the members area once you complete your purchase. You also have the FAQs where you can get answers to any questions that you might have, which are here, and you can check them out to find answers to any questions that you might have. So if you decide to purchase Auction Flipping Success through my link, which you can find in the description of this video, you'll be offered some great bonuses along with your purchase. So you need to click the first link below this video in the description, and you will be redirected to this page where I have listed all my bonuses. And once you reach this page, you just need to click on any of these blue tabs and complete your purchase of Auction Flipping Success. Let's see what are the bonuses that I am offering if you decide to purchase through my link. My first bonus is a tutorial on how to build a WordPress site. My next bonus is a tutorial called Blogging and Traffic Primer, where you will learn how to succeed as a blogger and get quality traffic to your blog. My next bonus is the incognito method, and my next bonus is a Raycon system. You'll get all these bonuses with your purchase of Auction Flipping Success, which will add even more value to your purchase. So thank you for watching my Auction Flipping Success review, and please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you are notified when I come up with review videos like this. Thank you. Bye.